Hi everyone, so in today's video I will share with you this very budget friendly gift for this Valentine's Day. I have made this photo frames for just 20 rupees and believe me this is extremely simple. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and please go through this material list very carefully. I have stated each and everything over here, so please go through this very carefully. So for the first, I am having 15.5 centimeter by 17 centimeter cardboard pieces. These are of 3 pieces, and right over here I have 15.5 centimeter by 17 centimeter Homer's artist sketchbook papers. If you are not having this, obviously you can use Brusto's normal watercolor paper or any paper with which you can do watercolor best. If you are not having that and you are not good at doing watercolors, then obviously you can use this Pioneer sketchbook paper or any kind of normal thick paper. I have stated everything in the material list. You can go through it if you are having any problem regarding the paper. So let me just tell you, those who are not good at drawing, what they can do, the optional step. I have got this thing print out. I will leave this picture's link in the description box. I have got this picture from Pinterest. So what they can do, they can just take this kind of a thick paper and stick the picture on the paper and you are good to. Yes, those who are not good at drawing, they can use this optional step. So here just enjoy the music and see the drawing. So to replicate the picture, I have drawn this kind of 2 cups that the picture has, like this. So I will color the cups with Fevicryl's acrylic color. So here I am writing I love you just like the picture, as you can see. So replicating those hearts by using Camel's brush pen, as you can see. I will use 3 colors. First is the red one, second is the fluorescent pink, and third is flesh tint. Making some little hearts with the white acrylic color too. So for making the cups little prominent, I am using black acrylic color, just outlining it. And that is all for the first picture. For the second picture, I have written a little quote. If you are not familiar with calligraphy fonts, you can just follow my steps, because yes, I am a novice too. So if you are also a novice just like me, then follow the steps that I'm telling you now. Just do one thing, write the quote with pencil and then mark the lower strokes darker and the upper strokes lighter, and in this way you can also achieve a perfect calligraphy font. So yeah, this is the secret. So completing this picture with little hearts and giving the hearts little definition with brown brush pen. You can also use black sketch pen. And this is it. So for the next picture, I have this beautiful heart with a little puzzle piece. And yes, I will color this with red brush pen. You can also use watercolor or sketch pen. And with the same calligraphy technique, I will write you and me. With a little arrow sign. And these are the 3 pictures after completing. So now here I have acetate sheet or OHP sheet. You can find this in any stationery shop or baking supply stores. These I have in bulk. So if you are not having, you can just go and find in stationery or a baking supply store. So just tell them about acetate sheet or OHP. And I think this will cost 2 for just 1 rupees or 1 for just 1 rupees, and get a hold of these and you are good to go. Next, clean this acetate sheet with a very soft cloth. I am using my mom's old sari. Just clean this like this because you don't want any kind of scratch or any kind of dust on it. So just clean the surface on which you are working and clean the acetate sheet also. So take the acetate sheet and place it on a board and place the cardboard and cut it with a paper cutter knife. So now I have this 1/2 inch black sellotape. So get hold of 1 inch sellotape, I request you all, because when you will cover the sellotape like this, it will not stick and you have to double coat it. So yeah, just better to get hold of a 1 inch sellotape and fix these papers and acetate sheet like this. And like this I have made all the photo frames. As you can see, these are looking extremely pretty and real. So after this I have this double-sided foam tape. I will stick little bit on the back side of the photos like this. So now I am sticking these photos on the wall like this. You just don't need any screw. And here goes the third one, and this is it. So your simple gift is ready to rock the floor. This is just looking so pretty and cute. I hope you all will love it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. To those who are new here, hey, I am Ushoshi and I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday, but I am very sad to announce that I won't be uploading videos on Friday anymore because I am extremely busy, and I will upload video once a week, so there will be no specific day or specific time. So I hope you all will understand, and for getting any sudden updates, just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right beside it, so that whenever I post a new video you will get a notification of that. And yes, I love you all. Stay with me, stay positive, and bye bye.